Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to delete Facebook page. Sometimes businesses and projects don't work out or need to be shut down. Whatever the reason, your best bet might be to close it down. We'll take you through the process and show you how to delete a Facebook page. Deleting a page gets rid of it for good. That's a drastic measure, so you might want to consider deactivating it instead. This process will hide the Facebook page from the public, making it only visible to those who manage it. It could be a great temporary solution if you think the page could be used again in the future. First, open the Facebook Android app. Tap on the three-line options button in the top right corner when using the Android app. You'll need to switch to the profile of the page you want to deactivate. To do this, tap on the arrow button next to your profile section. Then, select the profile of the page you want to deactivate. Tap on the three-line menu button again and scroll down to the bottom and select Settings and Privacy and hit Settings. Now, go into Access and Control and tap Personal Details. Tap on Account Ownership and Control. Then, select Deactivation and Deletion and select your page and pick Delete Page. Now, hit Continue. Enter your password and click on Continue. And follow the instructions until you reach the confirmation page. Hit Continue again. And that's all. Your page will be deleted in 30 days, unless you reactivate it. Just follow the same steps and select Reactivation towards the end. You could also delete your Facebook account if you want to eliminate all content on the social network. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.